Jcsportline, more than 10 years of continuous pursuit of quality, considerate of different requirements, standing in the professional perspective to achieve self-optimization, quality adherence. Jcsportline insists the principal quality is the lifeline of the enterprise. In the quality inspection process, with strict controlment: 1. Product surface, overall bright appearance. Die closing line is not scratched. Product back smooth and tidy. Product surface without any bubble scratches. 2. Quality inspection department strictly abides by the operation instructions for each product. The screw holes should be corrected and all the fittings should be installed. 3. Any defective product will be marked with circle, which will be returned to the previous process for rework. In pursuit of quality, we're always on the way of exploring and advancing. With exquisite service spirit and rigorous inspection procedures, we will make high-quality products and effectively meet the different needs of customers. The simultaneous achievement of products and services is a manifestation of the wisdom. It's easy to say, but it's hard to persevere. Jcsportline, with constant sincerity, heartfelt listening, carrying the requirements for different consumers and create win-win situation with people who pursue quality. Focus on product details and create industry quality products. Forge ahead, innovation.